Another tuk-tuk road!
We're back in the tuk-tuk, trying to survive across Bangkok. We're headed to a night market, try to find some more street food. We'll see how successful we are. Just hope that we get there safely and that we're not in the hospital. We're Ronnie and Jeremy, and we're digital nomads traveling around the world. We've spent the last 2 years living in Southeast Asia during a global pandemic. Now we're back on the move again on our quest to visit every country in the world. And we hope you'll come along with us for the ride. Good afternoon from Bangkok, Thailand. We are out and about again today, enjoying our time in our neighborhood here in Bangkok. And one of the great things about being in the neighborhood for at least a couple of weeks, you get to learn everything about the neighborhood and know how to move around and find the things that you need. And today, we're gonna be going across town to find a highly rated barber shop. And then we're gonna go try to find some good Thai food around the city. We picked out some spots that are highly rated, and we're gonna give you an authentic Thai food tour today in Bangkok.
We're waiting our metro and we'll stop in Khao Phuong station to the next destination.
Okay, we're just waiting for our first metro ride this afternoon at our station here, which is Bang Sun Station, and we need to go over Thai Phuong Station before we connect over to Chatu Chak Park, and then we're going to switch to the BTS line and at Mo Chit and go down to Siam. And at Siam we will get off and try to find this highly rated barbershop. And it's a cloudy, overcast day, but luckily for us, for right now, we're going to be under the metro's coverings and safe inside the cool, air-conditioned trains. But eventually we will have to wander out because we're going to try to find some authentic pad Thai today, but also some authentic Thai street food.
Bang Son Station.
Okay, we're now at the Mo Chit railway station here in Bangkok, and this is where you do change lines. We said in the previous video, Bangkok has different railway systems. There's the MRT, there's the BTS, and there's also the airport rail link, which goes to the airport, of course. And there might be more, we don't know, but so far we know of those three. And so if you want to go downtown in Bangkok to the center of the city, you will have to change from the MRT to the BTS. And for us, the closest one is at Mo Chit, which is the green line, and that's where we're at right now. We're about to go our last stop from Chatu Chak Park to the Mo Chit station, and Mo Chit will take us down to Siam in the center of the city.
I'm going to Jakarta. I will meet with uncle. So I think in the glass right now.
It's barbershop time. We're here at Two's Barbershop here in the center of Bangkok. And if you would like to give us recommendations on where we should go in the city and give me recommendations on barbershops when I come to your city, follow us on Instagram. You get all of our live updates, you get more photos, and you get more videos of all the stuff that we're doing around the city when we're actually in that city. So today we're going to visit Two's Barbershop and I'm going to get a haircut, and I'll of course give you the review of their great service. Alright, we're in the chair. The man here is going to give me a hot towel shave. About to get started. Okay, we finished up at Two's Barbershop. Cost at the barbershop was 600 Thai baht today. That's $15.50 USD. And Two's Barbershop is located in Siam Square, right in the center of Bangkok. Shopping area here with lots of stuff to do and lots of different clinics and beauty salons and barbershops and different things. Now we're gonna finally get some food. We're headed over to Thipsamai Pad Thai, which is famous for their Pad Thai. We'll be there soon.
Yeah,
let's go.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, we're both pretty hungry. We've skipped breakfast and lunch again today. Traveling by tuk-tuk now. In Bangkok, trying to find some Pad Thai. We'll see if we get there safely in one piece. Traffic here is pretty crazy right now, so we'll see if we can make it to the destination before the thunderstorm starts. Still in the tuk-tuk, and we're still alive. We have to stop somewhere first to do a pretend shopping run, so our driver gets a stamp for bringing tourists to the shop. We'll see how that goes. And after we've done this pretend shopping, we can go to our restaurant. We did this in exchange for a favorable rate of 100 baht for the trip, which is about $3. We'll see how this all plays out.
In Thipsamai, as you can see, there's very long line. Still waiting for going inside and order our pad thai. I'm so hungry. I don't know what time we will stay in here until we get through the long line.
We've made it to Thipsamai Pad Thai here on the street in Bangkok. Our tuk-tuk ride was adventurous. We finally made it over here. He took us to a clothing store to have custom suits made. That was interesting. We couldn't record inside the shop. They didn't want us to record. So I don't know if something illegal is going on. I don't know. But
they worry we steal their design.
Yeah, sure. We couldn't record in the tailor shop, but it was a nice place. And they had many different designs for suits and whatnot. But now we finally made it over here, and we have not eaten breakfast or lunch or dinner. So we are going to fill our stomachs here at Thipsamai once we get through this queue. It's a very popular place, and maybe we'll get inside soon and get to order.
So I just got the Thai crispy pancake, the moment of truth. Here's I don't know what is the yellow one. It's sweet. And the yellow one, the taste is like coconut, you know. But I cannot tell you what is this, but the taste is like coconut.
Thai crispy pancake, which appears to have like dried coconut and some dried apricots, maybe. And I'm not sure if this is what kind of crust. I think just butter. They're good. Thipsamai Pad Thai restaurant here in Bangkok, and we have finally got seated, made it through the queue. They take your order before you come into the restaurant, so that's great. Speeds up the process. And here's our orange juice now. So Thipsamai's thing here is not only the Pad Thai, but also the fresh squeezed orange juice. Dig in here in a moment, just waiting for the Pad Thai to arrive, and as you can see, it's made right here behind us. Cheers.
So good.
Okay, we just finished our meal at Thipsamai here in Bangkok, and the total price for 2 large bottles of fresh orange juice and 2 Pad Thais with king prawns was $49.50 or 1,900 Thai baht. By far our most expensive meal here in Thailand and in Bangkok so far. It's quite loud and quite busy in this area. We're very close to Khaosan Road. We're gonna move on down the street, try to walk off some of these calories. We should mention that the Thai food was good at Thipsamai. The Pad Thai is very unique.
Yeah, it's a different taste, like usually the pate, you know?
Yeah, usually Pad Thai has a more peanut taste, and you can sprinkle fresh peanuts on your Pad Thai at the Thipsamai restaurant, but it's not the same taste. It has more of a prawn slash shrimp oil taste with the egg omelet and the tofu.
Yep.
So it's a very unique taste, and I know that doesn't sound like delicious the way I'm describing it, but once you add all the things, the spices and the peanuts, it's a very unique Pad Thai, and one that I have not had anywhere else in the world. So I just wanted to say that. It is an expensive place. It is a Michelin-rated restaurant.
Yes.
But the food is also very good. It is worth the money, I think, for a sit-down meal, and you will leave full. It's not a little bit of food, it's a lot of food.
And the king prawn, the taste is like lobster.
Yeah.
Juicy, sweet, fresh. Oh, that's good.
So we are really full, and now we're gonna walk off some of these calories.
Another tuk-tuk road.
We're back in the tuk-tuk, trying to survive across Bangkok. We're headed to a night market, try to find some more street food. We'll see how successful we are. Just hope that we get there safely and that we're not in the hospital. you want to drop us some comments in this video, let us know, what are your favorite street food spots in Bangkok, or maybe just your favorite restaurants? We love getting recommendations from folks that know the scene. Ronnie and I have come over to Khaosan Road, which is known for their street food and for their tourist backpacker scene and many cafes. And so we're gonna wander down this street and see if we can find something tasty tonight and just see what's going on Khaosan Road post-coronavirus pandemic. We found the bar scene in Bangkok for tourists, at least for tourists anyway. You can also find a number of people on the street here trying to sell you tailored suits, which is kind of an odd sales technique here in this district. Ronnie's on the hunt for some street food squid, so we'll see if we are successful. This is my kind of street food. Got Thai roti pancake here with banana and chocolate. Crispy, hot, extra oil, extra butter. Look at that. That's hot. Quite good. Man, that's tasty. Can't go wrong with butter, chocolate, and banana.
Sweet. The banana also good.
Made a good decision here.
Yeah.
Quite tasty. The Thai roti pancakes. Those are only 60 Thai baht, which is less than $2 US, and they are big enough for 2 people. You don't need more than one. And to wash that down, of course, we're going to my favorite street food right here behind me, fresh juice. We're gonna try some of the fresh juice here on Khaosan Road, and I'll let you know if it's up to par with all the fresh juice we had in Kuala Lumpur. All right, we went with fresh mango juice. Quite fresh, really good. Total cost is 50 Thai baht. I would say on par with the fresh juice we had in Kuala Lumpur. Quite good.
This is the chicken heart, so I didn't try to eat this. I hope it's good. A bit chewy, but not bad. Tastes unique.
This is what Jeremy goes for. No hearts and livers. Big chicken drumstick. That's delicious. One of the best drumsticks I've had in a long time. Really tender meat, really glazed well. Smoky. Both of these, by the way, 60 baht here on the street at Khaosan Road, which is less than $2. Sugarcane juice, fresh from the sugarcane stalks right here. Quite sweet, pure. I guess pure juice from the stalk. Cost is 40 Thai baht, which is about $1.
This is the squid, grilled squid with the spicy sauce. It's really spicy. Oh my god. Spicy, sour, mixed with the grilled squid. It's a good combination. And they put the cabbage in here. That is really spicy. I like spicy food, but this is spicy. I need water.
Going to end our adventure vlog here on the rowdy Khao San Road. If you enjoy our travel content and you want to support us on the regular, go on over to our channel at Kentuckians Abroad and check out our membership perks that we have there. We'd love to have you on board. And if you enjoy this adventure vlog, moving around the city of Bangkok and sampling all the local food, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button and share this vlog with all your friends on social media. And if you enjoy our travel content, traveling around the globe and going wherever we go, please subscribe to our channel and check that notification bell so you know when our new videos are uploaded each week. But remember, you don't have to be a Kentuckian to travel with us. You just gotta have fun. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep on keeping on. Cheers.